Hello students, how are you all? Hope you are safe at home. Student, today we will going to learn GK unit number 14 mixed bag revision. So now let's learn in detail. At the birth, a kitten's ear and eyes are tightly scaled and he is completely helpless. A newborn kitten spent his time spending and nursing. The first 2 weeks are time of rapid growth and development. As the gets he fill of nursing milk, the little kitten become a stronger in preparation for the day. He will see and hear. So children, kitten is a small cat. So at his tender age, if his mother cat thinks her young ones are in danger, she likely to pick up each one by grabbing the loose skin at the back of the neck and carrying her baby to safer spot. Means a cat is change the place, that's why it's not safe. So children, you know that kitten is small kid and it is a look very cute. Okay, now next, dog. So here we can see a photograph of dog. So you all familiar with dog. Dog has 2 eyes, 2 ears, 1 mouth and sharp teeth. So, dogs belong to a canine family which includes coyotes, dogs, foxes, jackals, and wowls. So, all dogs are direct descendant of wowls and wolves and the classify are omnivorous. What is omnivorous? So, animals that eat plant and animals means those animals who eat both plants, grass, and animals or meat. So, dogs are the oldest non-domestic animals. There are more than 200 types of pure bred dogs. And dog senses are far superior to human sensing. So dogs have 3 eyelids and also a dog is very friend to human being and dog live in kennel. So children, you all familiar with dog and you all know about dog. Okay, children, now we are going to learn our next slides and it is a peacock. So, children, you all are familiar with peacock. Here we can see a photograph of peacock. So, peacock have a long neck and blue in color and also a colorful feather. So, peacock is commonly used to the name for peahen of the present family. But in the fact, peacock is the name of the colorfully plumed male peafawn only. The females are called peahens and they are smaller than gray or brown in color. So peacock is a male bird and also have a long tail and colorful feathers. And peacock is our national bird. And peacocks are best known for their amazing eye spotted tail, feathers and plumage. And during a display ceremony, the peacock will stand its tail's feathers up to form fan and that stretch out nearly 2 m in length. So, children, you all know about peacock, and peacock is a very beautiful bird and also our national bird. So, children, you learn about peacock. Peacock is a very beautiful bird, and then dog. So, dog is very faithful and also a very careful and a human friend. And then you learn about kitten. So kitten is a young baby cat and it looks very cute. And also a kitten is and cat is a very beautiful animal. So now we are going to learn a next slide and next bird. It is a owl. 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 So owl is, here we can see a photograph of owl. So owl is sleep in daytime. There are around 200 different owl species. Owls are active at night. So, owls sleep in daytime and active at night. A group of owls is called a parliament, and most owls hunt insects, small mammals, and other birds. Some owl species hunt fish, and owls have powerful claws and which help them to catch or kill prey. And owl have a large eyes and flat face. Here we can see a owl has two large eyes and flat face. And also owls can turn their hands as much as 270 degrees. So, owls are far-sighted, meaning they can't see things close to their eyes clearly. They can see things far than eyes, and owls are very quiet in flight compared to other birds of prey. So, owl is a bird of prey and also a 200 different owl species we can find around us, and owls are very active at night and also asleep in daytime. And a group of owl is called a parliament, and most owl hunts small birds and some owl species hunt fish. So owl is a killer bird and also a prey bird, and owl eyes is very big and large, and their face is flat face. So children, you all are learn about owl. So now we are going to learn a next mixed bag, and it is a Delhi. So here we can see a photograph of Delhi Gate. So Delhi was a capital of Magadhi Empire in South Asia for 100 years. Today it is divided into two cities, Delhi or Old Delhi, New Delhi and Old Delhi. And New Delhi. New Delhi is a capital of country of India. So New Delhi is a capital of India, and both cities are part of an area known as a National Capital Territory of Delhi. It lies on the Yamuna river. So Delhi is in Yamuna river. So here we can see a photograph of Delhi gate, and many people in Delhi work in government, education, healthcare, and tourism. Delhi has a long been northern India's landing center of business and trade, and today it is also a manufacturing center. Factories in Delhi make clothes, electronics, tools, and other products. So, New Delhi is a capital of India. Okay, children. So, you all are understood that New Delhi is capital of India, and it lies on the Yamuna rivers. And many people in Delhi work in government, education, healthcare, and tourism. And Delhi has long been northern India's landing center of business and trade. So today it is also a manufacturing center. So Delhi was a very active place, and also a city in a national capital of territory of Delhi. And today it is also manufacturing center. Factories in Delhi make clothes, electronics, tools, and other products. So, Delhi is a large city and also a capital of India. Okay, children, you all are learn about Delhi. So now we are going to learn a next slide, and it is a Taj Mahal. Here we can see a photograph of Taj Mahal. It looks very beautiful. The Taj Mahal is a famous mosque in India. So a uh, mosque of building that contains burial chambers for a desert. They can be large or small and are often created in honor of influential people. The Taj Mahal is located in Agra. So, Taj Mahal is in Agra, a city in the Uttar Pradesh region in northern India. So, Taj Mahal is a very beautiful place in India, and it is located in Agra. So it was built as a final resting place for Mumtaz Mahal, and the third wife of a Mughal emperor Shah Jahan. So the name Taj Mahal means a crown of places, and construction of the Taj Mahal look around 20 years, beginning around 1632 and finished around 1653. So the Taj Mahal is made of white marble, and the one of the Taj Mahal's most recognizable factors is a large white dome that is often called an onion dome, and due to its shape it has a height of around 35 meters, and it's surrounded by four smaller domes. So here we can see a four smaller dome, and it is look very beautiful, and also this is onion shaped dome, and it is made of white marble. Here we can see a Taj Mahal is in a white color, so it is made up of white marble. So Taj Mahal means crown of places and the built for a resting place of Mumtaz Mahal and the third wife of Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. So, this is a very beautiful and also a very peaceful place. And one of the Taj Mahal's most recognizable features is a large white dome and that often called onion domes. So, Taj Mahal is located in Agra in city of Uttar Pradesh region, northern India. So, in a northern India, Uttar Pradesh, and in a city of Agra, so it is located. Taj Mahal is a very beautiful place and very beautiful thing in India, and it is located in Agra. Okay, children, now we are going to learn our next slide, and it is a rainbow. So, here we can see a photograph of rainbow. We all are familiar with a rainbow. So, the sun makes rainbow when white sunlight passes through raindrop. The raindrops act like a tiny prisms. They bend the different colors in the white light. So the light spread but out into a band of colors, and that can be reflected back to you as a rainbow. So the sun makes rainbow. You all know that rainbow has a seven color. Chani Wali Pina Ra. So the sun makes rainbow when white sunlight passes through raindrop, and the raindrops act like a tiny prisms, and they bring a different color in white light. So the light spread out into the band of colors, and that can be reflected back to you as a rainbow. So rainbow is sunlight passes through the raindrop, and mostly a rainbow we will see in rainy days. Okay, children, now you all understand that rainbow has seven colors and it looks very beautiful, and sun makes rainbow. Okay, now children, we are going to learn a next slide, and it is a tire. So you all familiar with tire. Here we can see a photograph of tire. So tire is made up of rubber, and a tire is a ring of materials that covers the rim of wheels, and most road vehicles and many other vehicles use rubber tires. So tire helps vehicle to move smoothly, and some metro trains and trams also use rubber tire on their steel wheel to provide better transactions in the steel tire of their train. So the tires need to changed after their trains wear away. Driving with worn tires is very dangerous. It can causes the tire to explode, the driver to lose control. So tire is a very important thing for human beings, and also a tire is made up of rubber. So children, you all are understand that tire is made up of rubber, and you all familiar with tire. and tire used in mostly a vehicle to move smoothly. Okay, children, now we are going to learn a next slide, and it is a traffic light. So, children, here we can see a traffic lights, red, yellow, and green. So, traffic lights or traffic signal. Traffic lights or traffic signal. We all familiar with traffic lights and traffic signal. So, traffic lights are used to control the movement of traffic, and they are placed on roads, instructions, and crossings. The different colors of lights tell drivers what to do. So here we can see a different color. It is a red, yellow, and green, and it tells driver to what to do. So traffic lights change their colors in the same order every time. The most English speaking countries traffic lights usually change their orders. So red light, when the red light on, this tells the drivers to stop. When the red light on, and these tell the drivers to stop. And then green light on, it means the driver can start driving or keep driving. So when the green light shows, that it means the driver can start driving or keep driving. And then the last yellow light on, this tells the drivers to stop when it is safe to, because the light is about to turn red. So the yellow light tells the drivers to stop when it is safe to, because the light is about to turn red. So it is a signal to yellow light is signal to turn red light in some minutes. So the red light is tell stop, and green light is start driving, and then yellow light can say it is when stop, because the red light is coming. So the traffic lights is a very important role in human life, and it is the controls the drivers, and also a crossing. So children, there are three traffic lights, red, yellow, and green. So children, you all are understand about the traffic lights. So now we are going to learn our next slide, and it is a auto rickshaw. So here we can see a photograph of auto rickshaw. So you all know that auto rickshaw has three wheels, one and last two. So a rickshaw or auto rickshaw is a kind of a vehicles that has two wheels, that has a two wheels and three wheels, and they are usually pulled by a human, but there are types that have been changed to be pulled by bicycle or have their own motor. So, pulled rickshaw created a popular form of transportations and have a source of employed for male labor within Asian cities. In the 19th century, there appreciates that was related to nearly acquiring knowledge of ball bearing system. Their popular delayed as a car, train, or one other form. So, transportation become widely available. So auto rickshaw are the becoming more popular in some cities in the 21st century as the alternative to taxi because of their low cost. So you all familiar with auto rickshaw and you all know about auto rickshaw. So children, you all learn about this mixed bag. So now we are going to do some exercise and it is a name of mixed bag. Our lesson name is mixed bag. So color the circle blue for a true and green for a false. So here we can doing true false and you all write with me. Children, you all write with me. So, the circle blue for a true and circle green for a false. So, number first, a kitten is young dog. So, the sentence is true or false? A kitten is young dog. So, it is a false. So, false for green. So, here we can do green circle because a kitten is young cat. Okay, very good. Now number 2. Dogs mew. So dogs can meow? No. Dogs cannot mew. And it is a false and that's why we can do green circle. So number 1 and number 2 both are false and that's why we are doing a green circle. Okay, now number 3. The peacock is the national bird of India. So, it is a true or false? Yes, it is a true. The peacock is our national birds and that's why we can do blue circle. Okay, very good children. Now learn on next slide. And the number 4. The owl sleep in the daytime. So this is a right or wrong? True or false? Owl sleep in daytime? Yes, owls sleep in daytime. So, that's why we can do blue circle. Very good children. Okay, now number 5. New Delhi is a capital of India. So, what is this? This is true or false? So, yes, this is a true. New Delhi is capital of India. So it is a true sentence and that's why we can do blue circle. Okay, very good children. So now number 6. The Taj Mahal is in Mumbai. So it is a true or false? Taj Mahal is in a Mumbai? No, it is a false. Taj Mahal is in a Agra. So it is a false and that's why we can do green circle. Okay, very good children. Now number 7. A rainbow has a 5 colors. So how many colors has a rainbow? So rainbow has 7 colors. So it is a false and that's why we can do here a green circle because it is a false. And then next number 8. Tires are made up of rubber. So it is a true or false? Yes, it is a true. Tires are made up of rubber. Very good children. Okay, now number 9. The 3 colors in traffic lights are red, blue and green. So it is a true or false? It is a false. The traffic lights has 3 colors red, yellow and green. So blue is not in a traffic light. So that's why we can do here a green circle. Okay, very good, children. And then number 10, an auto rickshaw has a two wheel. So, auto rickshaw has a two wheels? No, it is a false. Auto rickshaw has a three wheels. That's why we can write here doing a green circle. Okay, very good, children. Okay, so you students, you all enjoy? Very good. Hope you all learn and enjoy this lecture. So, students, I will see you next time. And also, students, don't forget to wash your hand regularly, eat healthy food, stay home, and stay safe. Thank you, students.